Okie dokie, folky, here you go. This is the tutorial on how to create a Reddit account. So we are going to go to Reddit, which is reddit.com. Woo, there we go. Over here where it says login, we are going to new to Reddit, sign up. Going to put our email address in here. And since I already have a Reddit account, I'm doing it on one of my other fake accounts. Continue. It's going to send me a verification code to my email. Oops. Where's my email? There we go. There is my verification code. I'm going to put it in. Continue. Create your username and create a password. Continue. It's going to ask, how old are you? I don't want to share this information, but guess what? There you go. Yes, confirm. I identify as a woman. Interest, pick things that you like. Well, you absolutely want to come down here to, where's the home and wholesome and heartwarming. You only have to pick one, but setting this up early will help you out. There we go. Continue. It's personalizing my experience. And I will do another video on how to set up Reddit settings so that when you log on, you only see things you really want to see. However, I want you to go to this box right here, and we are going to go to the subreddit for string theory fabric art. Ooh, look, I already have 109 members, and I am going to join this subreddit. You have set up your Reddit user account, and you have joined your first community, which is our community. Yay! There you go, guys. That's how you set up your Reddit account for laptop. I'll do one later for your mobile devices. Right now, I'm going to go do some more additions to our community, our rules, regulations, things that might interest you. And then I'll come back and I'll do another video on how to curate your Reddit feed so that when you log on, it shows you all of the communities you want to see.